Creating new business by developing your client base is essential to your business achievement. Be that as it may, it can some of the time be testing. Here are some functional tips to assist you with developing your client base. 1. Become more acquainted with your clients. Comprehend your clients' necessities and create items and administrations that address those issues. You can acquire understanding into your clients by customizing your administrations and urging them to furnish you with input. 2. Offer incredible client assistance. Guarantee your client care is excellent and go the additional mile when you can. Your clients won't just recall incredible assistance, they will likewise be bound to allude others to you. 3. Sustain existing clients and search for new freedoms. Have methodologies set up to sustain existing clients, for example, remaining in contact with them by means of an e-pamphlet or telling them about special occasions early. Simultaneously, search for freedoms to get more work and assemble your client base. Ensure you locate the correct harmony between sustaining clients and finding new ones. In the event that you possess or work in fundamental business, you can likewise advance your business by exploiting a free posting on the fundamental business and expanding number of state government and private associations, or hoping to work with fundamental organizations and utilize the registry to look for important providers. 4. Utilize web-based media. Web-based media is an incredible asset to elevate your business to expected clients and gain important understanding through social tuning in. Through friendly listening, you can discover what clients are saying about you, acquire understanding into their conduct, recognize watchwords and patterns that appeal to your objective market, thus improve your client support. Web-based media can assist you with building your business profile and draw in new clients. 5. Go to systems administration occasions. Contribute time to fabricate your organizations. It's not what you know but rather who you know. Systems administration permits you to assemble associations with others and urge them to allude clients to you through informal. 6. Host occasions. Facilitating your own occasion can be an incredible method to become more acquainted with your clients and fabricate connections. Welcome a portion of your best existing clients and urge them to bring their companions. 7. Reward your local area. Building brand mindfulness in your neighborhood local area is an incredible method to pull in new business. Consider sponsorship or taking an interest locally occasion to raise your business profile. 8. Measure what works and refine your methodology as you go. You should screen where your clients are coming from to gauge if your promoting exercises are fruitful. Try not to be hesitant to analyze. Refine your methodology if something isn't working and spotlight additional time on the exercises that accomplish the best outcomes.